Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. One very important feature in Canva is the stock of photos. When you click on photos on the left side, you can see the huge stock of photos available. These are the free of cost photos that you can use in your different kinds of designs, and these are the high resolution photos. So this is very important feature. For example, here you can see discover photos. Different kinds of photos are available, and you can click on any one of the photos. For example, I want to click, and these photos are available in different categories: background photos, love, flowers, circles, houses, Valentine Day, gradient, white, blue, beach, coffee, and there are lots of categories: nature, pink, books, football, many more. These are available in various kinds. When you click on this, for example, click on it, it will open in this way, and you can use this photo. For example, if you click on it, use in a design. What kind of design in which you want to use this photo? For example, I want to design it into a document, so I click on it, it will open up with the design, and in this way it will open up. You can change its features here and use in the specific design, and after using it, you can download it. Click on share, you can download it and use in your design according to your demand. So this is very important features. Different kinds of photos are available, and the one other thing which is very important is the icons. Different kinds of icons related to social media, web and SEO, family and house, health and beauty, files and folders, music, arrows, computer, maps, business and financial, sports, tools, animals, holidays, and many more, nature and ecology. These are different kinds of, you can see icons available here, and you can use these icons, which is very important, especially in photos, in videos, in infographics, different kinds of cards, and different kind of invitation cards. You can use these photos, and this is very important feature available in the Canva. So you may use, you can use these photos according to your choice, according to your demand, according to your choice of icons. So click on one design. In the similar way, use a design. When you click on it, it will pop up different options. You can use it in the animated social media, video, story, Instagram story, logo, Facebook cover, videos, documents, and many more. The similar way is here. You can use these photos for different kinds of applications. So you may have learned something new from this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.